I told my
Hmm.
daughter, let's do a small activity. And I told to her, went to the kitchen and bring me a spoon. But there is one condition. You have to cover your eyes with a cloth.
Do you believe in affirmation and manifestation? Affirmation, I'm just talking about affirmation and which kind of affirmation you are taking it. If you have already taken, so you.
Here I wanna say you please repeat after me. Then if I wanna say I want to become a fluent speaker within a year. I am
Okay, I have already achieved my goal. Yeah,
I have
I
already.
am already achieved my. So, hello, Meenakshi ma'am. Good morning. How are you?
Yes, yes. Good morning. I am doing great. I guess, yes, it's good morning now. I thought it's good afternoon.
No, no.
So, very, very
Yeah.
good morning. And how are you doing today? I am pretty well, exceptionally well, and I feel exuberant today. You tell me.
Yeah, I'm fit as a fiddle and everything goes fine, you know.
Oh,
And nowadays I'm practicing a lot also. I'm doing work for my YouTube channel because recently I have opened my channel. My channel is too young. Okay. So
okay.
yeah, please introduce yourself, ma'am, for our viewers. Then I also introduce, then we can
Sure,
talk.
sure. I'm going to give my introduction in a brief. So, as I come to me, my name is Meenakshi from Punjab. I am a homemaker, and meanwhile, I am also teaching students. They are beginners, but now they reached an intermediate level because I have been teaching them for the past 3 months. So that's why now I feel they have reached an intermediate level. So, moreover, I am running a YouTube channel, as you know, by the name of English with Meenakshi. Right, right. So, yes, it's a nutshell introduction. If you would like to ask anything else, I'm ready to tell you.
Okay, glad to know about you, ma'am. And you are taking classes offline also, and you are running a YouTube channel also. Okay, thank you so much, first of all, for connecting with me, and a warm welcome to you for my channel. Okay,
So,
yeah, ma'am. So, when you have started your journey, your English journey and your YouTube journey both?
no, no, I have started my English learning journey in the year of 2023. In the mid of 2023, but I have started my YouTube channel last year. I guess during these days I have started my YouTube channel. So yes,
Mhm.
now it's going well, but I have first I connected with Rajni Verma. So then I decided to open my own YouTube channel to work more on my communication skills, to brush up on my communication skills. So that was the reason. Yes.
She is the talk of the town now, Rajni Verma. She has started from the scratch, and now she is very famous YouTuber.
Learning,
Yeah.
ma'am, learning never goes in a way, right? If we are putting our heart and soul in something, definitely goes pays our hard work back, pays off,
Exactly.
right? So
Yeah.
yes, if we are giving proper time, if we want to achieve something, so nobody can stop us to achieve that particular goal. But on the top of that, I want to mention one point here. If you are fortunate enough, so nobody can stop you. There are so many people, they can't speak English fluently, but still they have good subscribers, good viewers. So luck also depends somewhere, but I have seen mostly even a tutors, they can't get good views and subscribers. So it also depends on our luck, right?
Right, right,
So,
exactly,
but it definitely
exactly.
pays us back in one means we are not only getting views and subscribe. It doesn't mean that our growth is stagnant. Not at all. It might
Mm.
God has opened some another doors for us. Isn't
Yeah,
it? What's
you're a
your take
very
on it?
positive person, I think so. You're very positive, very optimistic. Wow, such a nice personality you have. Okay, thank you
Yes.
so much, ma'am. And many people nowadays they are opening their channel, and they are growing also. Within a few months their subscription rate is 1,000, 2,000. Before I mean more than 5,000 also, within a month, 2 month also, because they are putting their heart and soul that you have already mentioned, and they are burning their midnight oil. They are always working on it. That's why they are getting views. It is not free, ma'am. Yeah,
Exactly.
it's their perseverance, their commitment, their thought, their positive thought also. You
Right.
know, because one problem is here with the people, whenever they are creating something, suppose I want to be a singer, and I'm just listening to different kinds of videos and listening, singing, so and everything, but I am not singing. Okay, even if I'm singing, my second thought is that whether I'd be able to sing properly or not. Okay, that kind of catastrophic thinking,
Hmm.
it actually breaks us, it affects a lot actually. So
Exactly.
always our thinking should be positive. Why
Yeah.
we are creating, so many people are there, not telling that 100 people, 100% people are doing like that. But yeah, 80% people are thinking like that, whether I would be able to do or not, whether I would be if fail, this is the thinking.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yesterday, ma'am, I was listening to one podcast where the lady was mentioning we people are mostly in a negative thoughts. We have negative thoughts. Like,
Hmm.
let's reflect on your thoughts. How many times you stand in front of the mirror and tell yourself that I am blessed. I have no complaint. I am filled with so many things. God has given me each and everything required. So I am blessed. How many times we shared these thoughts? Not at all.
No,
Right?
not at all.
Every time we are ready to complain. I don't have this, I don't have that, I want to achieve this, I want to achieve that. Right? And
Exactly.
I want to share one case with you. What happened yesterday? I was talking to my daughter, and one thought suddenly came into my mind. I told my
Hmm.
daughter, let's do a small activity. And I told to her, went to the kitchen and bring me a spoon. But there is one condition. You have to cover your eyes with a cloth. Then she said, why are you saying this thing, Mama? I said,
Hmm.
it's an activity. Then it took her approximately 7 to 8 minutes to bring that spoon. Okay. After she reached, means into the room,
Hmm.
then I told her, have you realized? Can you imagine your life without your eyes? Not at all.
Okay.
So we are
Hmm.
blessed that God has given these beautiful eyes. We can't even imagine
Right.
our life with these beautiful eyes. You can't see your mother, your father. So you should
Hmm.
blessed. Every day you say, Mama, I want this, I want that, I don't have this, I don't have that. Why you always complain? So we are blessed that we can we imagine our life without having hands, legs, eyes, each and every body part is mandatory for us. What's your take on it, please? I'm just keep speaking.
Yeah. No, no, no. Yeah, exactly. I can come. I am agree with you. Because we are blessed, and at least we have all the necessary things like basic food. Like clothes, food, shelter. At least we have. But some people now also prevailing in our society. They are staying in our society. They don't have the basic necessities with them.
Hmm.
Okay, so
Actually.
we should really convey gratitude to God, that we should be thankful that God, that you have given that much things to me. But we people, what we are doing, we are not focusing on that. We are focusing on what we don't have. Okay, that kind of things are really creating mental tension, for the people. But yeah, some people are also there. They are convey gratitude, and they are really thankful. But ma'am, our thought is everything. What kind of thoughts you are creating. Most probably, which kind of thought you are creating in the morning time, and whenever you are going to hit at that time to create two thoughts, they are very very important in your life, and you can create miracle in your life. But if you think positively, you can do.
Yes,
But
yes. Actually.
if you think negatively, then it will be negative for you only. You are the victim, okay, of your own thought, isn't it?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Morning always sets a tone for our entire day. If you are
Right.
positive enough, because morning always give us energy to start our day with full of positivity. If we are not
Right.
energetic and we feel lethargic, And ma'am, one more thing I wanna mention here. If you have any particular goal, right, you can set a goal that you automatically feel energetic, right? Like if today I have session, one session, two session with someone, then automatically my boots never ever pulls me back. I automatically get that energy and am ready to do my work, start my work. Okay, so
Right.
yes, morning affirmations, morning energy always depends on that how do you have any to-do list, and if you have
Yeah,
already
yeah, yeah.
done a to-do
Hmm.
list one prior night, then definitely, you can achieve that goal and you can make your day productive, isn't it?
Okay, so ma'am, here one question for you. Do you believe in affirmation and manifestation? Affirmation, I'm just talking about affirmation, and which kind of affirmation you are taking it, if you have already taken, so you have success or not?
Yes, I believe in. Actually, first of all, I want to clear one thing here. I am associated with Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji. So manifestation is like I already, it has already given by Guru Sahib Ji. So I don't need
Hmm.
to put extra efforts and I don't listen to any other person who believes on the affirmations. And yesterday, even I was listening to one podcast. A lady was mentioning there, what is the affirmations? What is the manifestation? Okay, say this thing. I want to become a fluent speaker within a year.
I want I want to become a fluent speaker within a year.
And now please convert this in past tense. I am
Okay, I have already achieved my goal. Yeah,
I have
I
already
am already achieved my goal, and I am a fluent speaker. There is
yes,
a huge difference. Yeah,
right.
I
So
know that.
if you will say that I want to become a fluent speaker, so there is a desperation inside us.
Hmm.
And you can't achieve that goal. I want to become a fluent speaker, but I am already done.
Yeah,
I have
this is
become
because
a
our
fluent
brain,
speaker.
yeah, our brain always thinks that, it is taking the positive side always. And
Yes,
yes, our brain, our subconscious mind cannot understand the no side.
yes,
That's why whenever we are telling something now, that think positively, and I am already, it has happened with you. Yeah, I also know that kind of information, and I'm also taking, and I success, okay, two
yes,
time I success. Still, I have some goal to achieve and I'm working on it. So let's see.
yes,
I'm
ma'am.
waiting for the right time only, the right time only.
Right.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, ma'am. So, how is your day going so far? And what are the things you are doing to enhance your communication skills? And what are the hurdles that you have faced in your earlier stage?
Earlier days. Okay. Earlier days, there were so many hurdles, and but how did we overcome that? How did I overcome that? That matters. So hurdles, if I talk about that, because I live in the nuclear family, so every day there is a new challenge. Sometimes, if you know what happens, sometimes if I am going to have my session, some relatives come and I am only here that I have to attend them.
Okay.
Immediately, if someone comes, oh my God, now I have to cancel my session because you
There
can't
is no other way. Yeah.
because you can't make others understand that yes, if but now
Hmm.
most of my relatives they called me first before coming at my home because they know she is occupied in her work. So that's why. But I think I am blessed that relatives come at my home and I can chit chat with them also. Life is too short. If you
Yeah.
are blessed with them, so you should give time to them as well. Apart from the hurdles, yes, initial days it was quite difficult to achieve the fluency, and I was, I tried to boil the ocean that I wanted to achieve that fluency in a jiffy. But now, over the period of time, I realized that slow and steady wins the race, right? So you don't need to boil the ocean. Go step by step and compound things. And over the period of time, you would definitely get or achieve that fluency. And nowadays, I have that fluency, but still I am working on sentence structure, grammatically errors. I try to work on my gray areas as well, because there is always a room for improvement. Okay.
Right.
So yes, we have to learn until we die. So I am learning, and I am a sick until I die. So yes, this is my approach.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Because problems are everywhere, ma'am. Problems are everywhere. So we can't deny, if life is a mixture of pain and pleasure, so problems will be there, hurdles will be there, hindrance will be there, but we have to search what is the solution.
Exactly.
Okay, we have to focus in the solution and definitely we'll get the solution. Okay, so the thing is that how curious you are to do the things, how enthusiastic you are, whatever may be your goal, and how much time you are devoting towards that, how much work your hard work matters a lot.
Yes.
Okay, so I think you have been associated in your organization from so long. Like you believe in Sikh, you are from Sikh community, no?
Yes. Yes,
Mm-hmm.
I am from
Okay.
Hindu community, but where I got married, my husband is from Sikh
Okay.
community. It's a love marriage.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
But
Okay. Okay.
my childhood, I used to do part, seva. Like I had an immense love for Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji. And by God grace, I got married where I want. I guess God already, had planned for my marriage. So that's
Mm-hmm.
why. But not even a single person of my family, they do part or like this. But I am
Wow, so
yes,
fortunate.
yes, I am fortunate enough that I have a
Hmm.
sahib where I get deep motivation actually.
Hmm. Yeah, right. Okay, okay. We are on the same boat. Actually, I am also very optimistic person, Always I am seeing the positive part. It may be negative, but I visualize always the positive part, It's my tendency from the childhood. Yeah, yeah. So
That's why you
yeah,
have a
this is
very
the thing.
charm face. That's why you have a
Uh,
very charm face and sweet smile, melodious voice as well. And you look so
Thank
pretty.
you so much, ma'am. You are also so beautiful, ma'am, and a very attractive one. And also, I feel your positive vibes. Your positive vibes, and
But
it is complete. Your face is radiant. With the positivity, and I feel that yeah, I can completely resonate all the things that you are so spiritual person. And you indulge yourself in spirituality because. From last 15 minutes I'm talking to you, and I feel like that you are spiritual, you are always connecting with God, and you are energizing yourself by the supreme power.
yes,
Mhm.
thank you so much. Very
Yeah.
spiritual. So you tell me, I didn't ask. I guess I didn't ask about your introduction part as well. We forgot.
Yeah, ma'am. This is Om Priya. I'm connecting to you from Chhattisgarh, but originally I'm from Odisha. I'm a passionate teacher and an English enthusiast. I'm blessed with two kids, and now they are in juvenile age. It's a little bit about me.
Very nice, very nice. Okay, so how long have you been running your YouTube channel?
My YouTube channel is too young, from last 15 days only. Okay.
Oh,
Because as I mentioned, I'm a working professional. I have to devote time, 8 to 9 hours for my profession. So in the evening time, I feel reluctant, sometimes exhausted. I don't want to talk to someone. But now, yeah, now I am opening my channel. I have already opened, so I have to push myself, to work on that. So then only it will grow. And yeah, definitely, I believe that it will grow. It will take time, In this way, I am still striving for the excellence, I would say.
the way you speak, the aura you have, definitely you will achieve, right? Because people want to
Thank you
learn
so
something.
much, ma'am.
Yes, yes. People want
Yeah.
something and they will definitely learn, because if you have something to deliver, and people will definitely listen to you. So the aura
Hmm.
you have, the way you speak, it's commendable. So you should continue this. But I kudos to you that you are a working professional, but a long way you are squeezing out some time for such kind of conversation, because I am only a homemaker. Though I teach my students by sitting at my home, but still I feel, it's a daunting task for me to squeeze out some time, and means it's difficult
Yeah.
right? Kudos to you and salute.
Yeah, yeah. By God's grace, ma'am, it is possible, because always I convey the message that I want to be a motivational speaker and like that. From last so many years, I'm working on myself, and definitely I'll achieve my goal. I don't know when, but yeah, the time will come. But thank you so much for your motivation, your inspiration. Definitely, you are an eloquent speaker, ma'am. Thank you so much, and humongous gratitude to you for joining with me today. And I'm looking forward for the next session with you. Definitely. Yeah.
Feeling is
Bye
mutual.
bye, ma'am.
Yes, feeling
Yeah.
is mutual, and it
Yeah.
was really a phenomenal session. And how accidentally we met today, I didn't even
Yeah.
realize that within a second we connected without knowing each
Exactly.
other as well.
Each other. Exactly. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you so much, Meenakshi, ma'am. Okay.
Okay,
For
okay,
your time. Okay. Okay. Bye bye, ma'am. Good day.
okay. Bye. Have a great day ahead.
Bye. Great day, ma'am. Great day.